guys, I'm back with another video today. Turns out that I was supposed to open all of my packages from my Secret Santa in last video. So she sent word through one of the co-hosts and let me know that I was indeed supposed to open everything. This was all for week 1. So yay, we get to open more presents. Now, I just wanted to remind you, I went back to only weekly uploads a few weeks ago. I was uploading Wednesdays and Fridays, and now it's just Wednesdays. But because I needed to do this, I'm going ahead and adding an extra little Friday video in for you today. I have to say, she really spoiled me with all of these goodies, and so I'm just astonished. I don't know how she can top this because these are just beautiful. So this has been catching my eye. If I can get it open, I think that's very clever how she pinned it on there and that shut the envelope. But also, look at this beautiful charm. I know there are ways to make them. I've just never tried to do it. It's kind of a boho looking charm. Isn't that gorgeous? I've just never sat down to take the time to learn how to do this. And at one point I wanted to take some I'm going to come over here because the background is lighter. I wanted to take some classes at one point, just some jewelry making classes, and then COVID hit, so there went that idea. So now I'm like, never mind. So in here, what do we have? Ooh, really pretty. We've got some gorgeous washi tapes. Let's see, where's the end? I always have to feel with my thumb so I can find the end. It's beautiful. And it matches the colors on all these beautiful flowers and the bags. Look at that. So there that is. It's got lots of pretty vintage images. That's great because, as you know, maybe you don't if you're new to my channel, but I don't really have a lot of washi tape. That's really pretty. I'm loving these roses. Well, come on, where's the end? I feel it. There it is. Gosh, that's pretty. So pretty. I've been watching lots of videos lately, trying to make up for all the time when I couldn't watch. Look at that. Isn't that beautiful? I want to just sit down and create for, like 20 weeks without having to bother with any other things like laundry or dishes or cooking or going places that people want me to go. Okay, now I just accidentally tore that off. That was not smart, but I'm wondering if I could do that. Look at that, I'm already decorating. There we go. That's cute. Yeah, I'm definitely going to be using all of these gorgeous sacks in journals. I'm very spoiled. Thank you. That's exciting. Okay, on to the next one. I don't want to drag this out for forever, but I also want to take time to appreciate what was sent to me. Here we go. So here's the tags. Oh my goodness, oh, it opens. That's so cool. Look at this. Oh, I love the vintage Santas. They're just so much prettier. Oh, look, and it opens this way too. Oh my goodness. Look at that. It's a trifold. Oh, that is so cool. That is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. And look, she put the grommet in there. Oh, that's gorgeous. That's like a decoration. I could just stand it up on something and use it as a decoration. Let's see. It's kind of in the way right there. Okay, I'm going to set that off to the side. No one is useless in this world who lightens the burdens of another. Charles Dickens. It's beautiful. And look, it's a pocket. Ooh, she decorated the inside. Good job. I need to pay attention to those details. That's pretty. So you could clip this one in and it could just float free because she decorated both sides. And here's the journal card. Isn't that pretty? That's beautiful. And this is vellum. Oh, it's a until I touched it, I didn't realize it's like a specimen slide. See, it's kind of opaque. Oh, that's cool. Very cool. Oh, pretty, pretty. And then this one, let's see, does this one do something clever? Oh, it does. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas. Here's Santa. And here's a playing card, Coca-Cola Santa. And a cute little tag. Isn't that cute? I like how this makes a little tuck right there. That's cute. And then, see, she's got it all decorated up so I can send it to somebody if I want. Or I can put it in a journal, or I can just keep it for me. I like it. And then she made a little pocket here, and here's one of these pretty red snowflakes made in Santa's workshop. Yes, it was, because she's a little elf. One of Santa's helpers. Let's see, here we go. Slide that back in. Oh, that is just great. Those are beautiful. Thank you. These are gorgeous. Love it. See, and she even went ahead and covered the back and inked around it. Lots of detail in this one. That's really neat. Thank you. Toss this out of the way for a sec. And then, oh, there's still one more bag after this. Awesome. Let's see what's here. I want you guys to be appreciating how she did these. And the other ones are over on my desk over there, but they're just really pretty. Look at textured papers. I tend to hoard these. Oh, in a textured envelope. Oh my goodness, yes, embossed. She ran it through her embosser. Oh, cool. They're just so pretty. I do love the texture. It's awesome. And this one's got a little bit of a shine to it. A little sheen. A little pretty, it's like shimmery. That's the word I want, shimmer. Oh, so this is probably an envelope too then. I was just ignoring it. Oh, look at that. These are really cool folders you've got too. Isn't that neat? Oh, these are really pretty. And this one, is that, I can't tell if that's supposed to be like a reindeer. Oh, it's, there we go, that looks better. It's like a tree and a vine. It's very pretty. And then, are these sacks? Oh, that's so cool. Look at that. These are embossed sacks. Look at that. We have two of these. These are really pretty color too. Did you make those? No. Those are gorgeous. And this beautiful paper. Look at that. Beautiful piece of paper. Like handmade paper. So I have a special place that I keep all these textured and handmade papers. So that has a special spot. And then let's see what's in here. Ooh. Oh yes, popcorn. I have a couple of journals I have yet to make, but I want to include stuff like that in it because it's a carousel theme. And you know how when you go to an amusement park or wherever, the carousel, there's always popcorn and different things that you can have. Ooh, and there's some more of these. Look at this. Awesome. I don't have any like this. The only ones I really have are ones that people send things in, so that's great. And I haven't seen them like this before with circus. And then here's the wagon and the boat coffee ad, and this is a little bit different design than what I usually see, so that's wonderful. Thank you. Oh man. South American circus. I wonder what makes it South American. Interesting. Cool. And then, in addition to those sacks, there are also these sacks. These are a nice size too. Look at that. Just fold one in half, put them in as pages. In fact, I just watched Pam working on one of her journals, and she did something with a sack very similar to these, so that's cool. And can I just take a minute to appreciate, again, I just love the simplicity of how you decorated these, but it makes a really neat statement, such an impact. And then I think, why didn't I think of that? There we go, I ran over and grabbed the rest. So here are the other sacks that she sent. Look at that, isn't that pretty? Just so gorgeous. Well, Secret Santa, thank you for letting me know that I was supposed to open everything. I really appreciate it. You've been more than generous. I'm just blown away. It's just so gorgeous. I just want to sit and appreciate for a long time. And here we go. I'll put these back here again. There's our stacked tag and the pocket. I'm going to clip that one in. That'll be a great floating pocket. And then the altered Christmas card. Oh, that's just gorgeous. Just beautiful. So thank you so much. I appreciate that you took the time to do this. I mean, I know that it was a swap and that was what we agreed to, but still the fact that it's handmade by someone else, to have something in your hands that is made by another artist just is an amazing feeling. It's something I really can't quite put words to, but to be able to touch and appreciate and feel someone else's handiwork in your own hand is just, it's a gift. It's a gift. So thank you so much. I hope you guys are going to have a great weekend and that your week is going well. I will see you next Wednesday then with package number 2. So take care. Until next time, be inspired, do something creative today, and I'll talk to you in the next video. Bye-bye now.